Today I'm going to show you how to solve equations with variables on both sides. So once again, you're going to split the equation, but I have a variable on the left side and a variable on the right side. So here I have to do the inverse of minus 2x and do plus 2x to bring the x over with the 2. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So negative 2x plus 2x cancels out. So now I'm left with 15 equals negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5x. Now I divide by negative 5. Divide by negative 5. So it's negative 3 equals x. And then you can plug it in to see if you're correct. So negative 2 times negative 3 is 6. 6 plus 15 is 21. Negative 7 times negative 3 is also 21. So 21 equals 21, so x equals negative 3 is correct. Okay, the next one, we need to distribute first. So negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 5 is plus 10. Equals 6 times 2 is 12. Minus 6 times a half is minus 3x. Now I need to get the variables together. I am going to bring the negative 3 over to the other side because I do not like to be left with negative variables. So I'm going to do plus 3x plus 3x. So now I have negative 2x plus 3x is 1x plus 10 equals 12. I want to isolate the variable, so I need to subtract 10, subtract 10. So bring down the x. X equals 12 minus 10 is 2. Okay, the next one. Oops. Okay, so we want to bring the variables together first. Look what happens here. So plus 4x cancels out. Oops. And plus 4x cancels out. So what we're left with, 3 on the left side and negative 7 on the right side. When that happens, when your variables cancel out and 3 does not equal negative 7, it's called no solution. No number can be x at all to make that equation true. Okay, so once again we have to distribute. So we're going to keep 6x plus 4 on the left side. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then 4 times 1 is 4. Do you see how they're the same exact thing on both sides? Look what happens if I do minus 6x, minus 6x. 4 equals 4. So that would be many solutions, or infinitely many solutions. And that would be your answer. Whatever number you pick for x will work on both sides, will make the equation true because you have the same equation on the right side and as the left side. Let's look at this word problem. A boat travels x miles per hour upstream on the Mississippi River. On the return trip, the boat travels 2 miles per hour faster. How far does the boat travel upstream? Okay, so we need to set up an equation in order to solve this. So upstream, I see, is 3 hours. So that's going to be 3x. And we're going to have that equal to the boat travels 2 miles per hour faster on the return trip. So on the return trip, it's 2.5 hours. So we're going to do 2.5, and in parentheses, x plus 2. It's 2 miles faster. So once again, we're going to distribute. So it equals 2.5x. And 2.5 times 2 is 5. And now I have to bring the x's together. So I have to bring the 2.5 over. I can't bring the 3 over because I cannot be left with 0 on one side. Okay, so 3 minus 2.5 is a half, or 0.5x, equals 5. I'm going to divide by 0.5. divide by 0.5. Okay, remember the little trick? Move your decimal once, move your decimal once. So really I have 50 divided by 5. So x equals 10. So that means the boat travels 10 miles per hour. So the question is, how far does a boat travel upstream? The 3x represented the upstream. So what's 3 times 10? So it's going to be 30 miles upstream is your answer. Okay, so if the question is asking, is it one solution, many solutions, no solution, the way you can tell, okay, is if you have x is equal to one number at the end, x equals a number, then that's called one solution. The variables do not cancel out at all. Infinitely many solutions, the variables end up canceling out, so negative 2x, you subtract from both sides, so they cancel out. So you're left with negative 4 and negative 4 on both sides. So that's infinitely many solutions is your answer. Okay, the last one, how can we tell if it's no solution? So we distribute, so then I subtract minus 2x on both sides again. I'm left with negative 4 on the left side and positive 2 on the right side. So that is a no solution. I hope this video helped you understand variables on both sides. Have a great day.